After the second step is completed, we proceed to step 3. Is to open the third software. Double-click to open. After opening, we can see there's an emergency reset button. It keeps flashing red, alternating red and green. We click it. Keep the light on. This is the normal state and can be operated. After clicking, here's a loader. Find the program we just programmed. Then open. After opening, our program is displayed in the bottom left of this software. Show in this box. We can see it in this picture. Its incoming line is in the lower left corner. It starts at the bottom left. Then come in and cut this guy. This time, we need to pass the left side of the software. Right. The one on the right controls the machine. Move up and down, left and right. Move our heating wire to the lower left corner of the phone. It's the front of the bubble. This is up. Then this is the next. After one of our instructions ends, you must press stop to proceed to the next step. This is after clicking and going up. If you wanted to go further down, you have to hit stop. Then click down again. This time, we need to put this heating wire. Now, move to the front and bottom of the phone. Through us up and down left and right. Move the heating wire to the front and bottom of the phone. Okay, after the move is complete, we clear all coordinates. Click on the coordinates X, Y, A, B in the upper left corner. We can see the coordinates of its ball and arrow become 0. After clearing, we will directly click this one to start. And then it starts cutting on its own. We should pay attention to the machine here has a voltage regulator. The voltage regulator is used to control the temperature of our heating wire. Under normal circumstances, the temperature of this machine, there's a pointer on it. The temperature is usually around 50 volts. Just fine-tune it up and down, according to the thickness and humidity of our phone. Just fine-tune it. When the voltage regulator is connected, there are 2 thin lines on the left. On the right are 2 thick lines. Be careful not to connect this one upside down. Then we click to start. Okay, so we're done cutting. It automatically shuts off the power.